Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up your Nest Wi-Fi Pro Mesh network quickly, follow these step-by-step instructions for seamless coverage. Step 1. Unpack your Nest Wi-Fi Pro router and place it in a central location in your home near your modem. Step 2. Connect the Nest Wi-Fi Pro to your modem using the included Ethernet cable by plugging one end into the router and the other into your modem. Step 3. Plug the power adapter into your Nest Wi-Fi Pro and connect it to a power outlet. Step 4. Download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone if you don't have it already. Step 5. Open the Google Home app and tap the plus sign to add a new device to your home. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Nest Wi-Fi Pro, including scanning the QR code on the bottom of the device. Step 7. Create your Wi-Fi network name and password when prompted, making sure to choose a strong password for security. Step 8. If you have additional Nest Wi-Fi Pro points, place them throughout your home and add them through the Google Home app for extended coverage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.